Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please do go ahead and click that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Now today we're here in Milton Keynes to check out another budget hotel. This one is the king of them all, the Purple Palace Premier Inn. So let's go and check it out.
Yo, it's a Jack's life, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist gains, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.
So we're all checked in, let's go and have a look at the room, see if Premier Inn is as good as I remember. So room 327, let's go and check it out. Right, so first things first, we have the ensuite on the right, we'll check that out in a little bit. On the left we have your little pegs, hang your coat up, a nice vanity mirror with the lighting surrounding, that's nice, on and off, and you get your hairdryer set up on the station, which is all good. Your wardrobe is a big mirror on this side and then a little hollow centre, a couple of coat hangers, it's quite a neatly tucked away, extra bedding up top. All looks pretty professional. And you come through into the main room, and this might not be put me in the best light, but the first thing I noticed is the little bottle opener on the side of the desk. That's nice. Cheers indeed. We then have the desk itself, again this nice dark wood, which is always a feature of the Premier Inns. Nice lamps. Ooh, energy saving light bulb, takes a bit of time to turn on, but good once we're on. We've got menus, a little bit about the hotel, there's a little card tell you the breakfast time. Hiding behind here we've got, this is quite neat, so you can plug your HDMI in, or your SCARTs or your USBs. I'm assuming that then connects to the TV, so things like your Amazon Fire Sticks maybe you can plug in and then watch on your TV, good Samsung TV. Your drink station or tea station, couple of cups, glass cups, and your spoons, very teeny tiny and a little bit dirty and a little bit grimy. Kettle, not too bad, seen worse. Odd little plug socket for some reason, and then your teas are in this little see-through box, so your little teas, few coffees, few milks, sugar and sweetener, all on this nice little plastic tray which does not move. Nice. Premier Inn chair, looks nice, good, no marks. Oh, does wobble though. You have a little bin hiding under your desk, and then quite a large open space here really, kind of a bit dead space. Your classic purple, as you will know as you go through, everything in the Premier Inn is purple. Purple chair, purple carpet, purple curtains, purple, I was going to say lights. You normally get purple lights around the sides, and I think they are trying to be purpley, but some of the purple's fallen off maybe, I don't know. But either way, nice headboard. I always find the beds are the best thing about a Premier Inn. Nice side tables again with the dark wood, and then we've got plug sockets, switches for absolutely everything. I was going to say a nicely padded headboard, but it looks nice, but it's very hard. One pillow. I'm sure the beds are going to be nice in a Premier Inn. They are nice in the Premier Inn. I'll do the bed test in just a second. Oh, and as always with a Premier Inn, it's a very good bed. On this side we've got the controls for your heating, the aircon, which blows through here and here. This doesn't look too great, big crack appearing. Even the artwork's purple in a Premier Inn. This side is more of a floating bedside table as opposed to the stool shape on the other side. Again with all your plugs and switches and lamps. I must say, as nice as this purple chair is, there are quite a few suspicious stains on it. I was going to say, let me know down in the comments what you think that might be, but maybe we don't do that one. Let's check out what sort of view we've got. We're on the 3rd floor here, I think out of 5 or 6. We are in the theatre district, it's called, in Milton Keynes, which is pretty much in the centre. It does look like we're in the middle of where you'd find all the local bars and restaurants. There's, as you can see, Sultan's down there. There's a sign for Mulligan's just through the corner. There's an escape room opposite. There's a Pop World just up there if you want a bit of cheesy disco raving. And then I did notice on the way in, there's also literally next door to a Revolution de Cuba. So if you do like a few drinks while you listen to music, this is an ideal location for you. Right, so let's go check out the bathroom. But before we do, I don't know if you can hear how loud the aircon is, but my microphone up there, that's really loud. Hopefully I won't have to have that on all night to keep me awake. So we go into the bathroom, and we have got a bath, which is nice. Well, it's nice if you like baths anyway. So we've got the shower over the bath. How do we turn this light on? Is that light off? Oh, only the one spotlight's working, so a bit dark in this corner, but nice feature tiles down the middle. Your bath. Ooh, what's this one fancy? Bayliss and Harding Elements, white tea and neroli. Let me know in the comments if you know what neroli is. But that looks all nice. Towels, towel rail, curtain. Obviously you've got your wash station. It all looks pretty, and actually it looks a little bit grim in there, but we'll do that, it looks better then. Again, more fancy neroli stuff. Little bin, toilet, check out the toilet. Oh no, very dirty toilet in the bottom there, that's not been cleaned. Wobbly toilet seat too. Oh no, the black hair as well. Dun dun dun. Nice vanity mirror. It's a little bit of paint peeling off here, and again in the corner, but not too bad. Really, it's only the toilet that lets it down, so the toilet's dirty, not been cleaned properly. And then look at these for cheap tissues instead of having actual toilet paper. That's not great, is it? But the cleanliness really is not on point, to be honest. The carpet, I don't know if it picks it up on the camera, but it really doesn't look like it's been hoovered in a very long time. The scuff marks on some of the sides are amazing as well. There's then the dirty toilet, which, by the way, I have flushed, and it's not something that was there, it's literally stains that colour. And then, I know this is a bit obscure, but in putting on my shoes, I did notice under the desk. And again, I don't know if this picks it up, but something's exploded under here, probably a drink, and it's never been cleaned up. It's all very grim, and all around the sides, like the layers of dust. Again, I don't know if the camera can see this, but on the desk feet, they're supposed to be black and they're grey with dust. So dinner time, so let's go down to the restaurant and see what the food is like. Lips are okay, a few scuff marks but not too bad. Oh yes, thought I'd check out the old Premier Inn chair. So just been for dinner. So they do a meal deal for £26.99, which is 2 courses and a drink. So I went for starter and main. So I started with the chicken goujons in barbecue sauce, or with barbecue sauce. It's very much pub food here, so obviously straight out of a bag into a fryer and on the plate, but tasted decent. Main course, I went for the 8-ounce sirloin steak with all the trimmings. Again, it's all out of a bag. Peas tasted of absolutely nothing, just water. The tomato was raw. Mushroom, steak, and the chips were all perfectly nice. I asked for the steak medium, it came out pretty much medium. I went for a side of peppercorn sauce. That was very nice indeed. Like I said, just run-of-the-mill pub food, but enough to fill you up on a Monday evening. So I'm now going to go and get some kip, and I'll see you for breakfast. Night. So I had a decent night's sleep. Bed was very comfortable. The only thing that was a bit annoying was how loud the air conditioning was, because it was a bit muggy last night, so I had to have it on. But apart from that, pretty good night's sleep. Went down for breakfast this morning. Usual affair. There's the continental selection of a few cereals, some pancakes, some waffles, some muffins. There's a fruit bar selection with yogurt. There's all the usual juices and tea and coffee stations and water, and then there's the full English buffet style. So you've got your bacon, your sausage, black pudding, which is a nice addition, 2 types of eggs, fried and scrambled, and of course your hash browns. There is a toast station there as well. I missed the toast out. It's pretty much your run-of-the-mill full English. Everything tasted pretty decent, to be fair, except the bacon. Bacon tasted nothing, but sausage, hash brown, eggs were all very nice. So I did go down early to get the fresher eggs, so they weren't all baked to a crisp, and they were pretty nice. Is Premier Inn still the nation's favourite? Why don't you let me know down there in the comments. If you've liked this video and you want to see more budget hotels, there's a link on the screen just here for my budget hotel series. And if you want something a bit different, on this side there will be a playlist of the worst rated hotels that I've stayed in. And right there in the middle is the subscribe button. Please do subscribe and give the video a like. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much for watching.